Health has been overcomplicated, and it is time that we bring it back to what actually works. In this video, I want to share my philosophy that guides every patient that I work with. We live in a time where health is so confusing. There is a constant noise, biohacking, supplements, detoxes, diet plans, and yet, despite all of this, chronic disease is higher than ever. So let me say this clearly. Your body is not broken. It does not need to be hacked, detoxed, or optimized. It needs to be supported consistently with what it was designed for. When we strip away all the noise, the science is actually very simple. Health is built on a few core pillars, things that have worked for generations. The real foundations of health are real food, whole, minimally processed in a way that nourishes your body and does not restrict, daily movement, not extreme workouts, just consistent movement. Walking is one of the most powerful things you can do. Next, sleep. 7 to 9 hours, not optional. This is where your body heals. Time in nature, something we lost over time, but we deeply need for both mental and physical health. Next, stress management. Not eliminating stress, we cannot do it, but building resilience to it. Next, human connection. Relationships are not optional. They're essential to your health. And last, avoiding substances, avoiding harmful substances. The small daily habits like chronic stress, poor sleep, excessive screen time add up over time. And here is the part most people do not realize. None of these require a prescription. None of these require a credit card. None of these require a wellness influencer. But they do require something harder, consistency. And I understand that is the challenging part because we are living in a world that makes these basics harder to maintain. You are busy, you're overwhelmed, you're trying to balance work, family, your own health, your parents, your family, social obligations. So my role as a physician is not to make things more complicated. It is to simplify them, to help you focus on what actually matters and let go of what does not. We will focus not on perfection, we will focus on consistency. I do not expect my patients or even myself to be perfect because perfection is not sustainable. What matters is your pattern. We are going to miss workouts. We are going to have days where nutrition is not ideal. That is not the problem. What matters is what you come back to. Health is not built on your best days. It is built in your defaults. This also means changing how we think about food, our relationship with food, moving away from guilt, away from restriction, and towards a more intuitive, mindful relationship with it. Our body, and one of the most overlooked aspects of health, is also meaning. People who have a sense of purpose, who feel connected to their community, who feel filled, live longer, healthier lives. So health is not just about labs or your weight or number on the scale. It is about how you feel, about how you live your life. So if you feel overwhelmed and if you feel like you've tried everything, come back to basics. Walk, eat real food, sleep, connect with people, connect with what brings meaning to your day. And when you fall off, because all of us certainly will, just return, because health is not a destination, it is a practice. It is built in what you do again and again. If you're ready to simplify your health, follow me.